Apple has just announced a new event that will last a week. The person in charge of making this announcement has been the Vice President of Marketing at Apple named Greg Joswiak, who through a publication in X wrote "Mark your calendar" with a play on words that refers to the Mac. With this, he confirms that it will be a Mac-focused event, but the curious thing about all this is that in his publication also reads that we have an exciting week of announcements ahead starting Monday morning. Stay tuned. So it looks like throughout the week Apple will have Mac-related announcements. It could unveil a new version of macOS, or finally announce Apple Intelligence features available in macOS. They could also announce a new Mac Mini, which there are several rumors about a new design and the like, since they could also incorporate new M4 and M4 Pro chips in some of these configurations. For the same reason, there is also talk of a possible new iMac, although in this case integrating the M3 processor, so many Macs are going to be renewed, that is more than clear. There is also talk of a renewal for the MacBook Pro, which is constantly being renewed year after year. In fact, a few weeks ago, a 14-inch MacBook Pro was leaked in Russia, curiously claiming to integrate the new M4 processor, so that accidentally leaked computer is expected to be unveiled that week. And maybe Apple is keeping a surprise or two in store that no one is expecting. So let's keep an eye on what Apple has to present, and I'll be telling you everything I know that week. I've been thought to be Guacat.